All right, my friends, Giuseppe's back again. Welcome to B-Positive app video number 2 on how to use B-Positive app. Number 2 is primarily, I know this picture is kind of faded, but on the screen, if you happen to have the app in your, if you've downloaded the app, why don't you open it, and then we can go through. This would be the second screen. I did a video for screen number 1. And screen 2 is basically instructions on how to place your finger on the phone camera and flash in order to take your pulse to calculate your potential feeling. All right, so basically, if you look at the instructions, if you do have it open, that's great. If you don't, it basically tells you put your finger on your camera and flash, and then hold it there for about 45 to 60 seconds. It depends. Android's shorter, Apple's a little longer. And then keep you real still. Your finger, you can't do this while you're walking or talking or heavily breathing or exercising, right? When you're intentionally using the app, the ECG is very, very sensitive. So you can't be jumping around, moving around. It won't get an accurate reading. All right, that's the downside to that. However, through just testing and measuring with other clients and what they're telling me, the heart rate feeling selection is between 75 and 80% accurate. However, there is a fail-safe to that, just in case. So we'll just, so if you have any questions regarding this stage or slide, I call these slides. So this is slide number 2. It's in preparation. Instruction to put your finger on the app is kind of get you ready in advance. And then the next video will be on the actual stage 3 when you actually have your finger on the flash and camera. All right, thanks. Hope this helps. Again, if you scan this, if you don't have B-Positive on your phone and you happen to find this video, see if you can scan this barcode right here that I have. And you may have to either have your phone camera, like illumination, your light on all the way, and also if you're scanning from a laptop, you want to make sure that your laptop illumination is also up. So I notice it won't work if it's dim on both devices or on either one. All right, thank you very much.